What's up everybody, Jack here for Ghosts World, and today welcome to a very different video. This time I'm here at Disney Saratoga Springs at Walt Disney World, Florida. So this I'm going to do it. This is a tour of the room. This is the Deluxe studio for one, so let you know. So for DVC, that stands for Disney Vacation Club members. So I have a very lovely room, so we're going to show you the tour and even the outside of the view. So anyway, let's begin with the tour. So the first one, of course, you get to this. First of all, you get your hangers to put up everything what you need. Scarves, bags, hats, shirts, anything else. But as you can see, I got the Orlando City top here all 3 years ago. And I'm going to wear that one here for Orlando's matches. I cannot wait to do. Also, there's some scarves here. So there's my friend Mike, who gave me 2 of them. So we have Orlando City one here, and this one here. This is for, here we are, and this is one swans. That is represented by Orlando's Pride, the women's. No one's represented. So that's very cool. So you put up your hangers, and you got a lovely mirror. That one here to make sure you're looking good. Okay, so next up we get into the bath toilet facilities, or probably for the blurriness. So anyway, you can see me, hello, with the big mirror. And of course your sink. So wait, your sink and your auxiliary stuff, what you need, so like your hair dryer, everything you need is all there. Now we're moving on to the next one, of course. This is the toilet and shower and bath facilities. I mean, it's all nicely refurbished color for one here. I really like it. Also, now, if you could please say that to the bath, like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, well, have no fear. They have it all ready for you. So that is really cool. And of course, this is the shower unit. It is very good better for it, because the first one, of course, it is really good. I have tested running for it, but the shower of the big one is really better for mine. So I'm more of a shower type of a guy. Okay, we're on to this unit now. Now open up the drawers. There you go, see, you can put all your hangers. There's an extra pillow and a blanket, or I'll get to that a little bit later. And of course, there is everything you know that is your safe. Or safe out way to make sure that your own combination and anything what specific, like your passport, your ID, your money, electronics, etc, is all there to get to help. Okay, we're all on right now to the kitchen. So this is the nicest Deluxe Studio kitchen. It's a good size for me. But one here. So, and also of course for those people who are very happy with small. So first of all, open up the cupboards. Yeah, apology for the food that one here. We just spent just a night there. Also there's some as COVID ones, we have some cups, plates, spoon, and also knives and forks. Show you demonstration. Like that. Very nicely. Okay, so we got to close this one up. Inside here, that one here, you got your own microwave for one, so anything you want to put porridge in there is all good. Also, of course, this one here, this is your ice bag. This is your ice, well, I'm sorry to say, this is your ice cooler pack one. So, if you brought ice on it, you can put it all in this container. So that's really nice. And you got a nice sink, nice little small sink. Also, there is a nice toaster and a coffee machine. You can have yourself tea or coffee to wake up fresher in the morning. And if you've got the cutleries, I'll also give it a few, there's one of coffees in there. So I'll give it to my sister for that one. So it's all good to go. And then this is the fridge. So you can put up everything what you need in there. So for beside, you can put up your drinks, everything what you needed to this container here, and a nicely fridge. Very nicely cool, that one. So that was really cool fun. Okay, now we get down to the really cool one. And here it is, guys. this is your bedroom and living sleeping abilities. So yes, as you can see, this is everyone here. This is the bed. Very nicely, I sleep through it and it looks really, really lovely. Also, we have 2 LAN ports, but also more importantly, apologies, that this one you get this 2 plugs and 2 USB supports. That is really, really cool. But hang on a moment, there is not 1, but 2 of them itself. I mean, that is really, really cool. The phone's there, anything what you need, so something like that to get any information, just give them a call and help you out. So first of all, we've got a lovely, lovely couch. That one here, so it's really nice to have a sit on. And we have this chest one here. Apologies. So we have a nice chest bit here. Now, I'm hopeful if you can see it now. This is where it gets cool. If you can see it, now watch this. What do you think? It turned into a table. And also, of course, the inside, it is another storage. You can put your bags, toys, anything else in this box. That's really cool. So, when you're done, you do this. And put it back. Now, I'm going to give you a moment, so I'm going to drag it all the way here. Now, this is where it's going to be cool. Now, you see it's got these 2 black rail bars. Now, for a lot of people to say, if you have guests, family, like to share a bed for one here, you need to find there's no more beds. Well, have no fear, watch this. I'll put it here. There you go, what do you think? This is, you have your own bed for one here, it's all easy to help with. And of course, I love this. A nice artwork of Saratoga Spring Stables, pure Disney's artwork. That is so cool. So everything you needed, so that's why an extra pillow and a blanket, so we could use that instead. Okay, now then if you finish it off, all you have to do is this. You pull it up. And there you go. You're back to normal where it is. And then you get to this. Take a look at this. Now this is true story. There was an old TV, that one here, when I was just stayed. And then when we were out, the TV had got a major upgrade and this looks so better. And take a look. It says, welcome Gosling family. So any family you have, you stay, that's where you're gonna come up. And it looks so cool. Saratoga Springs Bars Resort. You got your weather, your time, even your room number. Well, that's so really cool. Also, we have your chest drawers, so all your clothes is going to be all in this. And don't forget, there is a USB and plug again. But like I told you, not once, but twice. Yeah, now I have more USBs, more plug-in points. That is just so awesome. Okay. So we're going to give you the tour around again. I mean, this is just so right. It's just so really cool. Now then, let's take a look at the outside. So we're going to do is unlock here. And take a look at this. This is the view and it looks so amazingly awesome. Now if you can see over there, there's the lake. It's just perfect quiet. And I like all facilities around here is so nice. And of course you have nice chairs and a table. Just like that. And there you go. So I'm going to do is sit down and have a nice chill out. So if you like to say, if you have tea, coffee, breakfast in the morning, then why don't you do it out right here? And I just say, the hotel looks great, great facilities, good stuff. So Disney Saratoga Springs, I hope you're all gonna like that. Anyway, so what's your thoughts on the tour, everybody? And remember, drop a big button of like for the video. Drop down in the comments below your thoughts on the hotel you see, and what was your year? Give us a year to say what state where you will stay your first ever Saratoga Springs. Give us your good memories. Just drop down in the comment below and I'll give you a love heartfelt one here for thanks. Don't forget to click punch the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See you all later.